Hello friends, let's do the unboxing of Pigeon Classic Stainless Steel Idli Cooker. So it has a capacity of 24 idli at a time, and I purchased it from Amazon. So you can see the Made in India logo here. So this is from company Pigeon, and it gives lifetime guarantee on the stainless steel. And you can see that the MRP written is 1675, but it's available around 1200 rupees. So now let's open the box. So this is the cooker. So this is the cooker and it looks really nice. It's shining like a mirror. So let's open it up. So this is the steel lid along with whistle. And here we have this two handles to lift it up. It will be fitted on both sides, one on this side and other on the other side. So this is the cooker and this is the idli maker, all in one. So it has a space of 4 idli in one plate, and there are 6 such plates. So you can make 24 idlis at a time in one go. You can keep it in the cooker. So to fit this one, just open it up. And it's very simple, just put these two screws here facing downward, like this. You have to put the screws, and then you can simply put here and rotate these screws and it will fit. And then you can put the idli maker here on all or some of the lids and close it. and then you have to wait for some time and it will cook delicious idlis. So I hope you like this unboxing. So give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel.